Stop leaving money on the table. I'm about to show you how to analyze a wholesale real estate deal using Redfin like a pro, so you can quickly identify profitable opportunities. First, head over to redfin.com. We're going to use their wealth of data to our advantage. Enter the address of the property you're considering wholesaling into the search bar. Once you're on the property listing page, scroll down to the property history section. This is gold. Look for the most recent sale price €. This gives you a baseline for what someone previously paid for the property. Next, check out the nearby homes for sale section, paying close attention to properties that are comparable in size, condition, and location. €. These are your comps. Note their listing prices, square footage, and number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Now, click on the map view and zoom out slightly to get a better sense of the neighborhood. Identify other potential comps within a half-mile radius. Consider the location scores and any neighborhood amenities to better dial in your comps. Time for the numbers. Open up your spreadsheet or calculator. Estimate the after-repair value, or ARV, by averaging the sale prices of your comparable properties. Now estimate the repair costs. Be conservative here. Next, determine your desired wholesale fee. €. How much profit do you want to make on this deal? Finally, calculate your maximum offer ARV minus repairs, minus your wholesale fee. This is the highest price you can offer and still make a profit. Compare your maximum offer to the price the current seller is asking. If your maximum offer is significantly lower, then you may have a potential deal. Remember to use Redfin's filters to refine your search and focus on properties that meet your investment criteria, such as price range, property type, and number of bedrooms. By following these steps, you can quickly and accurately analyze wholesale deals on Redfin, giving you a competitive edge in the real estate market. Now go out there and find some profitable deals.